everybody, welcome back. So today we're making some homemade Nutella pull-apart bread. So this smells like Nutella donuts when you take it out of the oven. It's so delicious and so amazing. And even though it's homemade bread, you can actually make it in an evening and it's perfect. And I've actually got this recipe from a cookbook called Unicorn Food, and it has like a ton of different rainbow recipes. It's so cool. And actually, the author of the cookbook is me. So I actually wrote this book. Oh my gosh, this is my first cookbook. I'm so excited. I've been working on this for like an entire year. And it's just like filled with rainbow recipes. And one of the recipes in it, let me find the page. I'm out of breath because I'm so excited. Where are you? Is a rainbow pull-apart bread. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. And I love this recipe so much. So I thought I'd adapt it and make a Nutella version for my channel. And if you're interested in picking up this cookbook, I'm having an official announcement video actually on Friday. So all the details would be in that video. It's available for pre-order now and it's coming out this month. So, oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Anyways, yeah, so let's get started and make the Nutella version of one of my cookbook recipes. So first, what you want to do is pour some yeast and warm water into the bowl of a stand mixer. Allow the yeast to develop for 5 minutes or until it's foamy. Place the milk and a 1/4 cup of butter into a small pot and set it to medium heat. Heat just until the butter has melted and the milk is warm. Then add some water and vanilla extract and mix until combined, and then set this aside. Pour 2 cups of all-purpose flour, some sugar and salt into the bowl with the yeast mixture. Add the milk mixture, then attach a dough hook attachment and mix until just combined. With the mixture on medium speed, add the eggs and mix for 1 minute. Then add the remaining flour and knead for 2 minutes or until sticky. Transfer the dough to a buttered baking sheet and cover with plastic wrap. Cover the entire baking sheet with a clean dish towel, and then pop this into a warm spot and allow the dough to double in size for about 1 hour. After the dough has doubled in size, knead it about 1 to 2 times to deflate the dough, and then reshape into a ball, cover with a clean dish towel, and allow it to rise for 5 more minutes. Roll the dough out to a 12 by 20 inch rectangle and spread some Nutella onto the entire surface of the dough. This feels like the most indulgent thing doing this. I love it. Slice the dough vertically into 6 strips and then slice each strip into 6 even squares. Stack the squares vertically and then turn the stack on its side and pop them into a greased and floured 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Cover the loaf pan with a clean dish towel and place it in a warm spot and rise for 30 to 45 minutes or until it has risen and doubled in size. Bake the bread at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes or until the top is golden brown. And if you find that the dough is browning a little bit too quickly, just cover it with a sheet of aluminum foil and that will help slow down the browning of the dough or the bread, but it'll keep cooking. Cool the bread in the pan for 25 minutes and then run a knife around the edges of the bread, and you can remove it from the pan or keep it in the dish if you like. And you are done! So I hope you guys like this recipe. This is a fabulous idea to make like for Mother's Day to like treat your mom to like some amazing homemade bread. And this is best eaten warm. So I definitely recommend making it the day you're going to eat it, because like, oh God, it was so hard not to just like tear into it and eat it right away as soon as it came out of the oven. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. I love this recipe so much. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're notified when my next video goes live, which is tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!